Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn Profile Builder with Canva, complete guide step by step. To install the LinkedIn Profile Builder with Canva, start by visiting the Canva website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or linking it to a social account. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in LinkedIn Profile Builder and press enter. Browse through the available templates related to LinkedIn profiles. Select a template that suits your professional style. After clicking on the template, it will open in the Canva editor. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the editing tools on the left sidebar. To customize the template, start by replacing the placeholder text with your information. Click on each text box to edit your name, headline, and summary. You can change fonts, sizes, and colors using the options at the top of the screen. Add sections for your experience, skills, and education if they are not already included. To upload your profile picture, click on the Uploads tab in the sidebar. Drag and drop your image into the Uploads area or click to upload from your device. Once uploaded, drag your image onto the template. Adjust the size and position as needed. Feel free to change the background color or add elements to enhance the design. When you're satisfied with your profile, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the file format you prefer, such as PNG or PDF. After selecting the format, click Download again to save it to your device. Finally, review your downloaded profile before uploading it to LinkedIn. You're all set to enhance your LinkedIn presence with your newly created profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.